Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing a new drugstore foundation. I was in Ulta and I saw this new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I did try out their liquid one and I loved it. I did not try out their stick one, but I saw that they had a powder and yeah, so I wanted to review it. So if you guys want to see what I think about the new Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation, then please just keep watching. Also, if you're not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go and make sure you turn on post notifications. That way you get notified every time I post. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a circle. It's very small and chic and compact. It says Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. I got mine in the shade 312 in Golden Door, just because I like my foundations to be a little bit darker, and the other ones kind of looked a little too light. So one of the main things that you should always do with any type of powders is you always want to apply liquids first. So I'm going to apply my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer real quick just to cover up my dark circles. You never want to put a liquid on top of the powder because, I mean, you can just picture it in your head. It's gross. It makes it look really bad. I'm going to take some translucent powder, well not translucent, my setting powder, and set underneath my eyes. So it says it's a full coverage powder foundation, a matte finish with a long-lasting 16-hour wear, coverage of a liquid foundation with the finish of a powder. So it says if you use the liquid and the powder, it'll be even longer. Alright, so let's dig in. And I'm just going to use circular motions. So the color looks really good. I thought it would be kind of dark, but it's not. It's not looking cakey at all. So I'm like able to like layer a lot to get more coverage, and it doesn't look cakey. Let's see my nose. It's not really covering my nose yet. This goes on really smoothly. I don't know if I see this being like a full coverage type of thing. I feel like this is mainly like evening out my complexion rather than like covering my whole face. So far, even though like it's not really full coverage, I'm kind of liking it. I feel like this is something nice to like do really quick if you're in a rush. Like I feel like this can go on so quickly if I was just like... My skin does not look powdery at all. It actually looks really nice, like a smooth powder. So my skin actually looks really nice. It actually does have some coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. I would say it's medium coverage because you could still see some redness here, and I kind of did apply a lot. But this is really nice for something really quick and easy and something to even out your complexion. And my skin feels really smooth. It doesn't feel powdery at all. I am going to finish the rest of my face and I will be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, I am back with my final thoughts on the new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. Oh, real quick, I also filmed another drugstore review on this palette that I used on my eyes. So make sure you guys turn on post notifications. That way, if you guys are interested, you'll get notified when I upload it. So I actually love it. It held up so well while I was doing the rest of my face. Putting my bronzer on, it went on so smooth because, again, this is all powder. So sometimes when you use a liquid foundation and then you put some bronzer on, it will stick on to it if you don't set it well. This was so nice. It looks so good. I think it's medium to full coverage. I don't think it's full coverage, but I definitely think it's medium to full. My skin looks really nice. It does not look dry. It does not look cakey. It looks like I spent some time on my makeup, on my foundation, and I didn't. I spent like 2 minutes putting it on, and it looks so good. I think I'm going to keep this because a lot of the times I buy things and then I'll return them if I don't like them, because I mean, this was $11.99, but it looks really good on my skin. I really like it. This is something I think I'm going to be using a lot because for every day, I don't really like sitting there using a beauty blender. Like, that's why I use brushes a lot, because I don't really like sitting there for so long putting my makeup on when like I'm kind of in a rush. But this went on so fast. I can't believe how nice it actually looks on my skin. It looks like I spent a lot of time, and I didn't. So I would have to say this is a thumbs up for sure. I really like it and I would definitely recommend it. If you guys like this review, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you all in my next video.